know what Carl. Get the fuck out of my face. Oh my god. What the fuck? Here on. Oh, I just like tore my groin.
All right, Pablo Barber coming in with the boy ball plus. That's a big save. How's that feel, Kyle?
Fucking great.
All right, here we have Eric Leggett, shootout debut as a shooter.
And we're back with the goaltender, Kyle Meehan. Kyle, how did that round go for you?
I don't want to do an interview.
Look, man, I don't want to do this either.
I got chirped way too much the last time.
And you think I didn't? I can't speak, Kyle.
Get out of here, Matthews.
All right. I hate you, Kyle.
I hate you too, Eric. How is that even fair? How am I even supposed to do anything about that?
Just fucking go. Please. Feel the speed. The wheels are on your heel.
He sees that he loses the cup.
I get a return stuff.
That's a rebound. I don't think we're gonna count that one.
Oh, you sick sucking faggot cunt.
That's a big save, Kyle. How do you
That
feel?
was a huge save, Will.
Yeah, it was. Let's get it, Eric. This is intense. Oh, he's changing speeds. Where's he going? No goal. That's no goal. We're not going to count it. Attaboy, Kyle.
What you did there?
So I
Didn't
guess
go in the net, right?
Yeah, I guess we're here at the end of round 2 with Kyle again. Kyle, you having fun out here?
I mean, yeah, whenever
Great.
Eric just goes in there and
so-
throws me meatballs, I can just scoop up that easily. Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Yeah, love it. So Kyle, what's your mentality going into this next round?
Not to let Eric score.
Great, love it.
about
Thanks
Will?
for your time, Kyle.
Yeah, no
Are you worried
problem.
about-
That doesn't score. I haven't scored yet.
Wow,
It happens.
I hate you.
Whatever. Bruh. It wasn't even a snipe. He flipped it in the air. I know you're zooming in on me, Eric.
That's just a textbook save. There's really nothing you can even really do.
There really isn't. Like,
Nice dick. Fucking go,
Yeah,
dude.
actually scored.
No, I don't think you did.
I don't remember.
Oh,
Wow.
how unnecessary, Kyle.
that was completely necessary.
Look at him, Eric. Or should I say Austin Matthews? Coming in rather slowly. That's just a goal scorer's goal, I mean. I honestly feel bad for the goaltender here.
Fucking suck.
So, end of another round. Kyle, how was that meatball thrown out by Eric Leggett this round?
I mean,
Let's chill!
it's just one more shootout for me, then it's night-night forever, you know what I'm saying?
Thanks for your time, Kyle.
I have a drone right now
They're
that's
pretty
over
nice.
camera on it. I know nobody's paying attention to you. Oh, when he goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, misses. And it's a big save by Kyle Meehan. Oh my God.
Is that two?
The crowd goes crazy.
2. Go, Proc. Brink of elimination. Here he goes. That's a snipe.
Wow.
Kyle, what was that?
Confidence building shot.
What was that, Kyle? Can you explain? Can you break that down?
Sympathy.
Sympathy. Here he goes. 4-hole plus.
Adam Rob is so hot.
That's all luck, Kyle. There was no skill involved at all.
You're probably right.
Adam, how does it feel to be the first competitor out?
Oh, I don't really care. I just want to film anyway.
Unreal hands. Can you make it Caesar, please? That's a fake shot if I've ever seen one.
And we're back with Kyle Meehan. Kyle, Adam Nava got eliminated. What does that mean for you?
Not much. I mean, that was kind of a given what was going to happen at the beginning anyway.
Really, and Proc's not, buddy? Alright, I feel the fuck it is.
Proc,
Or did you give him
Proc
sympathy?
knifed you.
Did you give him sympathy? Was that a sympathy
Yeah,
shot?
was that sympathetic or did you actually?
I'm going to say it is. Just
All
so
right,
I'm not
I mean, we'll
embarrassed.
believe you. We'll believe you. He's pretty bendy out here with those new skates that he got.
Why is he here? Why is he here? This is supposed to be my time.
Fuck.
Get out of my shot.
Because you're a pussy.
Get out of my shot.
Yeah, welcome to like every interview I've had to do every single time I'm the goalie. Kyle.
Oh,
Thanks for your fucking time. The hair is A1, buddy.
Oh my God! I had the entire net and just completely blew it. I hate my life. Mitch has 2 goals on the game.
Wait, isn't Proc Oh my God.
I'm calling right post in on this one. That's a huge save. That's a huge save for the elimination.
Woo!
Nice work, Kyle.
Thanks, Will.
Did you go pound it? Yeah.
Here we are again with the goaltender Kyle Meehan. Proc finally got eliminated. It's a long time coming, right?
Yeah.
Great. Thanks for your time, Kyle. Oh, your hair is so gross. You good?
Don't look at me.
I was so scared that you were gonna poke check me.
I wanted to.
Oh! Third miss.
Yep.
What is that face?